Hi, this is Mary Rafa. I am a CPA specialized in bookkeeping cleanup and in improving accounting processes. So let's continue our training for NetSuite Set-up Manager under Enable Features. We scroll down to get to our ERP General. And one of the features we can enable is the use of deletion reason. This feature will enable us to track the reasons why a transaction was deleted or who deleted a transaction in a report form. To generate that report, go to Transactions, Management, Transaction Numbering, Audit Log. And in that window, you can actually filter the transactions into different transaction types. There could be bills, cash refund, credit card, customer deposits, finance charges, invoice, journal, return authorization, transfers, vendor authorization, and a lot more. And there's also an option for the location if you had that set up, and a deletion reason code. And you can also do the style for normal, and this is how it looks, which it didn't really change. Grid, it's kind of the same thing. And then report, it's like a more of a report style. And so if you want to learn more on how to set up NetSuite, don't forget to click like, subscribe, follow, and share. Thank you.